What's up, guys? Welcome to another video. Today we'll be doing like an indoor drift track, like a homemade indoor drift track. We'll just be doing it in the shop in here. I already have some tires, old tires that I have from go-karts set up for that. And then that's we'll be using for like the turns, and I'll set up some other stuff to some other obstacles in here that we can either knock over, drift around, and try and make the best homemade drift track that we can of what we have. And this shop floor works perfect. You could do it in your garage if you had enough space. And let's get started. I created this like makeshift water bottle hit on the side of the trash can, so you can drift by and hit the water bottle hanging on this bungee cord on the side of the trash can. And there's just a box that I hooked it on, and then just got hooked it on the cap, and then you can drift by and hit it.